Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you a quick fix for the parameter is incorrect error that's pop up when you're trying to change a service from manual to automatic. So here is the deal. I have been having some Bluetooth issues on my laptop. I couldn't connect to Bluetooth and Bluetooth enable disable toggle is not showing up at all. So the solution is to restarting the Bluetooth services and switching them from manual to automatic. But we are getting error on this. Let me show you. First, we need to open the services window. You can do this by pressing Window plus R key and type services.msc and click on OK. It will open the services window. Now the specific error I'm facing is with Bluetooth service support. Let's right click on it and go to properties. Now when I want to change it from manual to automatic, then I'm getting this error. Parameter is incorrect. When I press on OK or apply, I'm getting error in both cases. So let's fix this up. Now close the Bluetooth properties and minimize the service app. Search for registry. Here we have open this registry editor. Now on the left hand side expand H key local machine folder. Here I expand the system folder. And now search for the current control set. Here we have, and then search for the Bluetooth, or if you're facing for any other thing, then search for that thing. I'm facing issue with the Bluetooth, that's why I'm searching for Bluetooth. But we need to find the service name. So open the services app and open properties of that service in which you are getting error. In my case, it's Bluetooth. Here we have. Now copy the service name or remember this name. Now go to registry editor and search for the exact same folder for the services name. Double click on it and we have multiple options. Now click on the start option. Here we need to change the start value to 2 and then click on OK. Now close or minimize this registry editor and reopen services app. Here look for the Bluetooth, and as you can see startup type is changed to automatic. Let's check it in properties too, and yes, this service is changed to automatic. So that's it for it. Problem is solved. Hope this video helped you out. If you want a full video how to solve a Bluetooth not working issue in Windows 10 or 11, then write yes in the comment section. I will make a video for you. So thanks for joining. Please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Jarvis signing off.